Hi, I'm Jürgen Strauss from InnovaBiz, and together with Zoe Hollingworth, the video confidence coach, we'll be your hosts at the Podcasting 101 event for the Geelong Small Business Festival. Now, I'm really excited to hear what your podcast ideas are and what inspiration you have, and what message you're going to be putting out into the world and sharing. And of course, Zoe and I are both really looking forward to helping you start your podcasting journey. So get in touch with us on the email address below with any questions, with wishes you have for your podcast, with your aims for the podcast. And of course, we look forward to meeting you at the event at the Creative Hub in Geelong very soon. Bye for now.